So we're continuing to look at rings and the different types of data structures or containers that Sonic Pi offers. Now, so far we've looked at a ring, as a ring of values in terms of rings of notes. We've looked at scale, and we've looked at chords, and we've looked at octs, so that octs are used for octaves. In addition to those, we also have other types of ring that are actually available to us. And some of these have the ability to kind of fill out a set of values. So these are things like ranges and ramps. We also have Booleans. So I'm just going to sort of run through these. Again, they all follow, the same format. I mean, this is one of those things that's actually, really good about Sonic Pi and the number of things that Sam Aaron has kind of put into the environment. So here, a variable for these Boolean values. So Boolean values are basically zeros and ones, right? So we can treat the zeros as off and the ones as on. So that's a rough way of kind of thinking about sort of how you might use these Boolean values. Let's try them out. Sorry. So we'll give it a sleep of 1. To make use of these Boolean values, we're going to tick through them. And to sort of derive something meaningful from them, we're going to use an if. If my Bools.tick. So if when we're ticking through the ring here, or the Bools ring, when we're ticking through it, if it's a 0, don't do anything. If it's a 1, do something. So the do something for us is basically play 60. And then we end. And it just continues like that, right? Let's try a different one. 1 0 0 1. Now, if you've seen the previous video when we're looking at things like chords, you'll see that there's something contained within this that's a little bit similar to the Zox-based programming for drum programming that we were looking at. In that the Zox defined a kind of an event, so either nothing or something, right? So this is what we have sort of pretty much here with these zeros and ones. So that's what we could do there. So that's the Boolean ring. See you next time.